Reasons for scarcity of water in India. The following reasons can be attributed to the scarcity of water in India. A large and growing population has resulted in the scarcity of water resources in the country. To provide food resources for such a vast population, water resources are overused to irrigate agricultural fields. Indiscriminate use of wells and tube wells has led to a considerable decline in the water table. The establishment of various industries has resulted in the further exploitation of water resources. The discharge of industrial effluents has also degraded the quality of water. In India, generation of hydroelectricity on a large scale has also put pressure on the water resources. Urban centers have multiplied in the country. Many houses and housing societies have their own independent boring devices. This has further depleted the water table. In India, many places or regions may have sufficient water resources but may still suffer from water scarcity. This may be because of the deterioration in the quality of drinking water. Disposal of household and industrial wastes and the use of insecticides and pesticide in agriculture may result in worsening of the quality of water. Subscribe to us on https://www.youtube.com/c/vikrambooks.